It's not easy, but a little piece of it right here, like this. Oops. A little white right here, like this. Let it flow, just kind of blending it. Alright, so a little bit of gesso around this area right here. Right this way, right here. Little gesso. A little bit here and there, there you go. That's what I'll do. And here we go. It comes in like this square format. I don't need all of it, so I'm just gonna trim this like this, trim it. Maybe a triangle shape. It's not easy, but a little piece of it right here, like this. Oops. We continue like that to a wet gesso. That's still, there you go. Nothing is straight in nature, so all the excess, just gonna brush it off. Little gold dust like that. Yeah, a little bit of dark blue right here. Dark blue here. Start with this. A little bit of dark blue. Let's just start doing this from this corner right here, like this. Right here, like that. There you go. Mixture of white, of course. And just kind of see what happens. A little abstract is what we're going for. Right here. Kind of blending it. Like that. There you go. Leaving some space for the neutral color to show through later on. Just kind of abstract style is what I'm going for right here. Starting with this bluish and this turquoise. And if you do not want the color to dry too much, get a little spray thing right here with water. White right here, like this. Let it flow, just kind of blending it, adding some details here, like this. Little clouds here. Little clouds, a little bit more white. Is necessary, I think. Coloring over this gold foiling right here. And let's transition more in this corner, lower right hand corner with the purplish here, purplish. As you can see, just see, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Circular motion right here. There you go. There you go, that's kind of, yeah. And as I'm doing this, I'm learning that maybe I shouldn't do it too wet. Not to put too much water is important to letting it a little bit drier. Okay. And let's see, leaving some areas right here for the framing. Beige neutral color, mixture of you know, painting and talking is kind of hard to do, but do my best here. But let's do this. And getting a clean towel to always, let's get rid of all the excess here, so it doesn't the paint, overall paint doesn't get too muddy and looks kind of dirty. So with the dry brush, I'm not using any water right now. I'm just kind of got to show you my palette as I go do this. Yeah, here you go. There you go. Adding some highlights here. There you go. Some highlights right here like this. Or just suggesting. Okay, in this corner, let's try a little bit of yellow and orange. My palette knife here, and see how it goes. Let's see here, palette knife, so you guys can see. Just adding a highlight here. Adding some dimensions so it kind of looks like a cloud. A little bit, an abstract yellow. Maybe reflecting off of a sunset, maybe, something like that. Keeping it simple here. Dark and light blue here. There you go. And let's see what this palette knife can do for us. Just kind of setting the edge a little bit right here, like this. There you go. Nothing too crazy. Just there you go. Dab here and there. And I'm just gonna finish it off with some palette knife with white on tip. This tip a little bit. Just to the add to the texture kind of effect, if you will. Okay, so here's what I have for you, a final piece. It's not completely dry yet, but hope you guys enjoyed this piece as much as I enjoyed creating this piece for you, and I hope to see you again for another beautiful day of creation. Okay, I'll try to attach this LED light here like this, and all around this frame right here, using a glue gun here like this. Okay, I'm just using a hot glue gun all around this little crevice that I found. All right, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see this amber LED light. I don't know if you can see these lights shining through when you're hanging on a wall. Adds a little extra something, a little highlight